Hello. Okay, so tonight, so last time we made picture graphs. This week we're going to, this night, we're going to analyze picture graphs. So that's our title, is Analyze Picture Graphs. Maybe. What is happening? Uh-oh. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Analyzing picture graphs. Oh my gosh, it's hard growth. It just has sound over there. We're going to say pic graphs. What's happening? Just not drawing very well tonight. Don't know what happened. Pic graphs. Guys, I don't know what's happening. Graphs. I'm sorry, my handwriting's not messy. It's just not picking it up. Don't know what's going on. So obviously you don't have any of this good in your journal. So you're just going to watch. Okay. You don't have to do anything in your journal. So, sorry if you've already written that title, erase that title. Okay. So we're going to look at this picture graph that's already made, and we're going to analyze it. We're going to answer these questions. So to analyze means to look at something closely and determine information based on what you see. Okay. So how many toys were sold altogether? How do you think I'm going to figure that out? So this is where it gets really important for you to look at the key. So in our case, this key, Okay, so we're going to do this. I think it just freaked out and quit. So we're just going to look at the picture graph here. That's fine. So if we look at this picture graph, we see that this is talking about toys sold in a day. So if we want to know how many toys are sold altogether, what do you think we do? Well, we're going to count them all up. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 motorbikes, 7, 8, 9, 10 with the dolls, 11, 12, 13 with the ducks, 14, 15, 16, 17 with the cars. Okay. So 17 toys were sold altogether. So the way that you figure out how many toys were sold, or if it says how many students were surveyed altogether, how many people were at the fair, how many whatever, you count everything on your picture graph, okay? And it's important to look at the key, because if each picture equals 2, then you're gonna have to count by 2s, right? So we'll talk more about that tomorrow. Another question that they might ask that was on my beautiful journal entry that's now gone was how many people liked dolls? Okay, so if we look at this, we see that 4 people liked dolls. 4 dolls were sold. It was how many dolls were sold. 4 people did. All you have to do is look at the picture graph and count. Okay, again, you got to look at the key though, right? Right. So looking at this, another question that they might ask is how many more cars were sold than ducks? So if it says how many more, what does that mean I'm doing? What does that mean I'm doing? It means I am subtracting. So cars and ducks. So I have 4 cars and 3 ducks. So what's 4 minus 3? 1. So 1 more car was sold than the ducks. Another question I might ask is how many dolls and ducks were sold together? Dolls and ducks. It may not even say together. It may just say how many dolls and ducks were sold. So I would count the dolls, 4, the ducks, 3, and I would add those together. 4 plus 3 is 7. I'm sorry, I keep hearing a noise over there and I don't know what it is. Hopefully it's not an animal. That would be weird. Okay, gonna continue as normal. All right, so another question that they might ask is what was the favorite toy of that day? So if it says favorite, we're looking for the one with the most. Which toy was sold the most? Motorbikes were sold the most. Another question it might ask is what was the least favorite toy sold that day? Well, looking at this, there's the least number of what? Which toy had the least number sold? Ducks. All right. So guess what? That's all we've got, because you can't write anything down because the journal entry is gone. But that's okay. We're just going to improvise. You do have a seesaw to do. So go ahead and do that. And I'm about to go get my haircut for my birthday and have a good birthday night. All right. So hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.